Hello, my lovely friends. Thanks so much for your support, always watching me. Today's menu is some vegan keto pancake. Yes, and you'll love this. Every bit of it, no egg added. Purely vegan. Please, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, and share this video. And so we are going to make use of my sugar. This is sweetener, um, stevia sweetener, that is 30 ml, and coconut flour 60 ml, almond flour 60 ml, and this is chickpeas flour 60 ml. Yes, that's chickpeas flour. And this is it, ground flour made of chickpeas. And the carbohydrate is high, but the carb content will not affect your sugar level and it will not kick you out of ketosis. You can read more about chickpeas flour. Just don't use it too much. I'm using it because this pancake, I'm not using any eggs. And so I need something that will hold it together. And this chickpeas flour will do just that. So we are adding all our ingredients into the bowl, and then we'll mix everything together. And so we are adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder to it. Then we're going to add vanilla flavor also to it. So as I said, the chickpeas flour, you can read much about it and know what it is and know whether it affects keto or it can kick you out of ketosis. But it doesn't. Just don't use it too much. Once a while, it's okay. And so we'll add a bit of water to it and then mix everything together. You realize that it's very thick, and so I'm going to add this time around my almond milk to it. Just mix it to the consistency that you want. Just don't mix it very light. If you mix it very light, it will be difficult to handle in the pan. And so I'll add a bit of water to it again. Mix it to the consistency that I want. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and also do well to leave a comment. Okay, so this consistency is okay for me. I'm going to add salt solution to it. The salt that I'm using is sea salt, the stone one, so I have to make it into a solution form before I can use it. Okay, and I'm going to add 30 ml of cranberries, dried cranberries to it. You can use any berries of your choice to it. Okay, so we are going to fry now, and I'm using olive oil, just a little in my pan. Spread it all over and allow it to warm up, and I'm going to fry my pancakes. Drop in some amount, that's one ladle. Then we'll cover it. Make sure that it's not on a high heat, just low heat or medium heat, and allow it to cook very well. Okay, so we are turning it to the other side. Okay, press it a bit and let it cook. We'll cover it again for 2 minutes and everything is done. So our pancake is ready. We are going to fry another one. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch. You get notification. If you do not, you won't be able to know when new videos come in. Okay, so this one too is ready, and we are going to fry another one also. And so we'll be doing it this way till we are done frying all the pancake all our mixture. Okay, yes, so finally we are done, and this is our vegan pancake. Very sumptuous and tasty. You will love every bit of it. You can serve this with a cup of almond milk, a cup of green tea, or you can eat it like that and drink water. But I'm going to add a cup of cocoa drink, yes, to it. And this was great. The taste, the pancake, so real. You love every bit of it. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, share, leave a comment, and don't forget to always eat healthy, because your health is very important. And if you have health, you have everything. I really appreciate you for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Thanks so much, and watch out for another awesome, sumptuous vegan recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.